Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on fluid energy mill. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand the principle, construction, working, uses, and advantages of fluid energy mill. Now let us study the fluid energy mill. The fluid energy mill works on the principle of combined impact and attrition. Now let us see what is impact and attrition. Impact occurs when the material is more or less stationary and is hit by an object moving at high speed, or when the moving particles strikes a stationary surface. In either case, the material breaks into small pieces. In attrition, pressure is applied on the material as in compression, but the surfaces are moving relative to each other, resulting in shear forces which break the particles. Now let us see the construction of fluid energy mill. It consists of a loop of pipe which has a diameter of 20 to 200 mm depending on the overall height of the loop, which may be up to 2 meters. There is an inlet for the feed and a series of nozzles for the inlet of air or an inert gas. It also has an outlet with a classifier which allows the air to escape but prevents the particles to pass until they become sufficiently fine. Now let us see the diagram of fluid energy mill. As we have seen in construction, it consists of a loop of pipe which has a diameter of 20 to 200 mm depending on the overall height of the loop, which may be up to 2 meters. There is an inlet for the feed. It also has an outlet with a classifier which allows the air to escape but prevents the particles to pass until they become sufficiently fine. A series of nozzles for the inlet of air or an inert gas. The outlet, that is fluid and fine particles. Here the arrows indicate the process, how the process in the fluid energy mill is carried out. The direction of the arrows indicates how the process in fluid energy mill is carried out. Now let us see the working of fluid energy mill. Solids are introduced into air stream through the inlet. The air or inert gas is introduced with a very high pressure through the nozzles. Due to high degree of turbulence, impact and attrition forces occurs between the particles. The fine particles are collected through a classifier. The fluid energy mill reduces the particles to 1 to 20 micron. To get a very fine powder, even up to 5 micron, The material is presented to reduce the particle size to the order of 100 mesh and then passed through fluid energy mill. Now let us see the uses of fluid energy mill. Fluid energy mill is used to grind heat sensitive material to fine powders. Fluid energy mill is used to grind those drugs in which high degree of purity is required. Now let us see the advantages of fluid energy mill. The first advantage is the fluid energy mill is useful for grinding heat sensitive substances such as sulfonamides, vitamins and antibiotics. The second advantage of fluid energy mill is it is used to grind the material to fine powder. Next advantage of fluid energy mill is the particle size of the powder can be controlled due to the use of a classifier. Next advantage of fluid energy mill is there is no wear of the mill and hence there is no contamination of the product. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.